All right, family, welcome back. It is Makisha Stiles, aka Kish, and once again, I will be your tour guide for today. So the topic for today is what is Forex trading and how exactly does it work? This is a beginner's guide, okay? Because a lot of times when you're new to this, you're like, okay, what exactly is Forex trading, and two, how exactly does it work? Because I hear a lot of people talking about it, but what is it, Kish? So I'm glad you're here today. So what exactly is Forex trading? It involves the buying and selling currencies to make a profit. That's what we're doing. It's currencies and we're buying and we're selling them at all times to make some type of profit. Another thing is that's one of the largest financial markets in the world. So a lot of people know about stock markets and things like that. When it comes to Forex trading, it actually overpowers the stock market. That's how lucrative it is. So it has now become one of the largest financial markets in the world, and coming up right behind it is, of course, the crypto market. And another thing with Forex trading, doesn't require much leverage to get started. So to keep it, I like to keep it simple, is for one, we're buying and selling currencies. Okay, you can also trade certain stocks on the Forex market. That's for another class. It's one of the largest financial markets in the world. Crypto coming up right behind it, and it does not require much leverage for you to get started. So that alone is like, okay, all right. So how exactly does it work? So the main aim of Forex market is to successfully predict if the value of a particular currency will go up or will it go down. That's what we're doing at all times. So when you're seeing the chart, you're like, man, this looks difficult. Just know that only thing we're doing, we're utilizing strategies, but our only focus is to successfully predict if the value of a particular currency is going up or is it going down. That's it at all times. You got people that's on the upside, you got people on the downside. That's all we're doing. And then what we do is we enter those trades when we have the proper knowledge utilizing apps. So one of the apps we utilize is MetaTrader 4. One of the apps we utilize is MetaTrader 4. And then we learn profitable strategies because we're not coming into this gambling. No, we're not doing that. We have profitable strategies that we use and that have been proven to work over and over again. Not at all times. Nothing's guaranteed. But we utilize those strategies to now properly predict as much as possible what that currency is going to do. Like, oh, okay, is it going up or is it going down? But we learn that from utilizing our strategies. And how do we enter into the market? We enter the market utilizing our particular apps, okay? Now, how do you get started? I love to tell you always how to get started. First thing I would recommend is you find some type of educational platform, because as long as you're involved and not doing this by yourself with an educational platform, this is going to shorten your entire learning curve. You're not going to make as many mistakes that previous traders have made, because if you're in an educational platform, they're going to tell you the mistakes that you shouldn't be making. They're going to tell you the mistakes that they have done. So now you don't have to go down that path. You can go, hey, a smoother path. And then next thing you want to do if you want to get started trading Forex is you want to go and open up your demo account. You want to do copy and paste trades from professionals. I hear me say it all the time. You want to do copy and paste trades from professionals. So whatever platform that you use as far as educational to learn from, just ensure that they have copy and paste trades. They have live trainers that you can actually come off mute and ask your questions, okay? And just make sure that they have that stuff. But that stuff is very important when you're starting off as a beginner. You might not realize it at first, but it makes, if you can have that platform that offers that, you're going to do very, very well, and it's going to shorten a lot of your learning curves, all right? And I want you to remember that patience is key. So when you're coming into the Forex trading market and you don't have thousands of dollars to invest into it, it's okay. Just practice patience, because over time, even with a $10, $50 account, $100, $500, they're going to grow over time. We just have to practice patience. Okay, so that is all for today. I hope you have found this video very valuable, and I'm looking forward to seeing you all inside our academy. If you want more information about an educational platform that I recommend, you're going to see my information in the description of this video. Give me a call and we can go over it. And then for everyone else, I'm looking forward to seeing you on the next video. It's been Makisha Stiles, aka Kish here, and I will see you all on the next training.